Hey friends, you don't always have to have a straight edge if you have fingers. So what I have going on here is the vise busted, broke a piece of wood off here. The vise didn't break, but kids were hard on it. Piece of wood broke off, so I put a new piece of wood on here, but if you see this gap, it's not the same thickness this way, so I need to cut off a little piece. So I'm just gonna use my fingers as a straight edge. I'm taking these 3 fingers, putting them, well actually 2 fingers, taking those 2, putting them right against the board, and then moving to where this pencil is touching that line, right, like this. And then I'm making sure I'm on that line, and I'm gonna slowly drag that across, and look at that, it lines up with the other line I made. So here's the thing you need to be aware of. Make sure this is smooth, and you're not gonna like fill your fingers full of splinters. So there you go. Use the 2 fingers, hold the pencil with your other 2 fingers and your thumb. Use your fingers as a guide. Thanks for watching.